Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ragna Anime Vanguard. First, understand Ragna's core abilities, which often involve gaining power and critical. Next, learn to deploy Ragna effectively by riding it at the right time. Finally, identify key support cards that enhance Ragna's overall power and consistency in your deck. This foundational knowledge is crucial for mastering Ragna's playstyle. When building your Ragna deck, prioritize cards that generate Soul and Counterblast, as these are vital resources for Ragna's skills. Ensure you include enough Grade 3 units to maintain a consistent ride chain throughout the game. Aim for a balanced ratio of offensive and defensive cards to handle various situations. A well-constructed deck is your first step to victory. During gameplay, prioritize riding Ragna as early as possible to start applying pressure on your opponent. Effectively utilize Ragna's unique skill to gain additional critical and power, turning the tide of battle. Combine Ragna with specific rearguards that synergize well, creating powerful attack combinations for game-ending turns. Timing and resource management are key here. For advanced play, learn to adapt your strategy against different opponent clans and their unique mechanics. Efficiently manage your resources, such as soul and hand size, to ensure you always have options available. Consistent practice is essential to truly master Ragna's full potential and understand intricate matchups. Keep refining your skills to become a formidable Ragna player.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.